Good morning children. Sairam. Children, welcome back once again. How are you? I hope you all are healthy and safe at your places. Children, in my last video we have discussed about chapter number 4 part 3 cell padding and cell spacing and types of hyperlink. Today we will continue this chapter number 4 advanced HTML first part 4. Children, in this chapter we will discuss about following topics. Number 1 is the anchor tag in HTML. Next topic is creating internal links, and then linking two web pages on the same website. Okay. Next is linking web pages of different websites. And lastly, we will discuss about how to create hyperlinks to an email box. Okay. Now children, first of all, we will discuss about what is anchor tag in a web page. Children, this is the A tag. Either it is not case sensitive, either you have to write capital A or small a. This is same. Okay children. A tag, this is A tag, also known as anchor tag. This is called anchor tag. Is used for creating hyperlinks in a HTML. Children, we can use this A tag to create link that can direct a user to any resource present on the www, including textual information, images, music files, video clips or animation, etc. Okay. Clear children? Children, this anchor tag, this A tag, anchor tag is a container tag. Children, in my previous video, I have already told about container tag and empty tag. Container tag are those tags which are having both opening tag and closing tag. But in empty tag, there is only opening tag. No need to close it. So A tag is container tag. It is having opening tag and closing tag. So it has on tag, this one, and off tag. We have to close it also. Children, the two important attributes. It has two important attributes. Number 1, the name attribute, which is used to create an anchor point in the HTML. Okay. And the second main point is href attribute, which is used to create reference point or hyperlink. Clear children? Now children, creating internal links. Internal link. Internal link are the links within a web page or .html document. These links, when linked upon, lead to some other location on the same web page. Internal link helps in the navigation of large document. Children, or an internal link is a hyperlink which when clicked takes the visitor to another section on the same web page. Okay children? Now children, how to create an internal link? Children, number 1, we should firstly identify the target section of the web page and create an anchor point as it using the name attribute of the A tag. A tag means anchor tag. Next, when we should create a reference point or a hyperlink to the section using the href attribute of the a tag at an appropriate location on the web page. Okay children, this how to create interlink is also available in your computer textbook on page number 82 and 83. You can see in your computer book how to create internal link on page number 82 and 83. Okay children. Now children, syntax for using tag, name and href attributes for creating an internal link is as follows. The syntax is tag A for anchor tag. This is anchor tag. Okay. Then space name is equal to, within a quotes you have to write anchor name. Then closing the tag, and after that close the anchor tag. And again open the A tag, anchor tag, write down space href is equal to, within a quotes write down hash anchor name, then close it, and after that go to the named point. Okay, then lastly you have to close the anchor tag. Children, this is also available in your computer book page number 82 and 83. You can see in your computer book also. Okay. Now children, the next topic is linking of two web pages on the same web page. Okay. Children, a local link is a link that links two web pages residing on the same web server. Since web pages of the same website almost always lie on the same web server, links that connect the two web pages on a same web page are always local in nature. Children, it is also available in your computer book on page number 84. You can see and study in detail in your computer book on page number 84. Okay children. Now children, the next topic is linking two web pages of different website. Okay children, the web pages of a website are stored on the same web server. However, it is possible that two different websites and the web pages that constitute these websites may be stored on different web server. The links between web pages of two different websites are set to external when they are stored on different web server. Okay, when they are stored in different web server, then it's said to be external. Okay. Now children, external link requires the full URL. Okay, it requires full URL, absolute path names of the web page to which we want to link them. Example, children, this is the web address, web path. Children, it is also available in your computer book page number 85. You can see external link there. You can study in detail about external link on page number 85. Okay children. Now children, the syntax of using a tag means anchor tag for creating link to web page on different website is as follows. The syntax is a href, this is the syntax. A href is equal to, within a quotes write down complete URL of the web page. You have to write complete web page URL, and then close it and write down linking text. Whatever text you want to write text, and then lastly close the anchor tag. It is anchor tag. Okay, it is non case sensitive. Either you write in capital A anchor tag or in small a anchor tag. Clear, children? Now children, the last topic is creating hyperlink on an email box. How to create hyperlink to an email box. It is also called mail to link. Okay. Children, not every link on the web page leads to you another web page. Some links are email links. Some links are email links, also called mail to link, which when click on upon will open the default mail program. Whenever we are clicking here, it open the default mail program on the computer of the user, and email address mentioned in hyperlink will be automatically filled in to text. This is to text box of the mail composing window. Okay children. Now the children syntax of this mail box, email box. The syntax for creating an email link is as follows. The syntax is ahref is equal to, within a quote write down, mail to, then email address. Okay, then close the tag and tags for email link, and after that lastly close the a tag, anchor tag. Children, it is also in detail you can study on page number 87. Okay children, you can study in detail in page number 87. Children, look at the screen. You can see this is the, on page number 87, this is the step how to create mail to link. You can study in detail in your book. Okay children. Now children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.